got this.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm sitting here and waiting.
I'm sitting here.
Show you something, Richard. Check this out.
You're going to the right. You guys guard this. I'm going.
Oh. Hello. Alright, getting the camera view out there. Those wasps.
Where?
Oh, I'm out of here.
He got out of there fast. He's like,
Nope. Wait, where is it? I'm gonna throw my grenade at it.
You have a grenade?
Yeah.
Chuck that shit.
Oh, I found the wasp's nest.
Don't do it. Don't do it while our kid's in there. Don't do it while that kid's in there.
I hate you guys.
Hey, kid, red jacket, get out of there. Hurry.
I'm not shooting. No, I'm not doing it. Fuck. I ain't doing that. I ain't that stupid.
What?
What the hell?
Lost that?
Yeah. I was close.
Oh, the guys are doing
Check my spot, Richard. I like this spot.
I like your spot.
Yeah? How's your
Hey,
spot?
watch the woods.
You're kind of knee deep in paint.
Balls deep.
All deep. Ah! Oh! It's gonna sit back down.
It's not even the end of the day yet and we're fucking screwing around already.
Oh, we kind of got fucked over right here.
Yeah, it's not even the end of the day yet and we're already
both
screwing
out?
around.
No, we're good. We're still in.
Tactical, where is everybody?
Tactical rest. Here, I'll fire a bullet.
You wanna run right with me?
Oh, it's not shooting!
Sally, are you serious?
Fuck, give me a hit.
Where is it?
We're going. I don't know.
Where are they?
You're an idiot.
Toggle back.
This should be good. Yeah, it's good now.
Yeah? You sure?
You wanna run right with me?
No, we're going. It's not going.
I got nothing to lose.
Good enough.
Damn it.
Go!
Run right?
That way. We're going that way.
I'm going out this way.
So you gotta catch it.
Where are they? Why are you guys running?
There's a kid with like a hat with like a brim going all the way around. He's out. I shot him. He didn't want to walk off.
Wanna go get
I
him?
saw him hold his chest. He didn't want to walk off.
Yeah? Alright,
Yeah,
hold on.
if you get hit by him, don't worry about it. But there's a couple other guys by the tires. I got like 3 or 4 guys out over here, so they just walked back.
Alright, Richard. I wanna go here. How should we go about
I'm
this?
gonna run up to this barricade
We
over
got
here.
pistols, yeah.
Huh? I mean, if you guys want to distract and run up to the tires, I don't know.
Yep. I don't know where he was.
Push up, push up, push up! Okay. Push it right here. Alright, Richard. Just push it. Wait, hold on. BBs can't go through this, right?
I don't think so. Well, I don't know.
What about right side?
Where?
Right side.
Where are we going? This is going nowhere.
Exactly, run.
Kristen, you need to get closer.
Boom!
Let's go.
Can we play the game of traitor?
Huh?
Can you play the game of traitor?
What's that?
Bang, bang, bang! Fuck, right there, you saw him? Wanna rush him?
Yeah. Ready? Cut. Ready?
No! No, no! Fuck this shit! Got you. Hey, I hit you.
Where's he at?
Right there. Help! Tires! Where is he? How many are over there now?
What? I don't know.
Oh, there's one.
There's a kid with black goggles and a brimmed hat. Yeah. Alright, so you're not gonna call it?
There's people at tires.
Then I should not have came over here.
Oh, man. Wait, where do we go? All the way over there?
Where are tires?
Only 12. Wearing a hat, black hat.
Right there?
Yeah, him too.
Oh, I'm out of gas. Oh, crap.
Fuck.
Go.
I'm out of gas. I'm out of gas. Hey, I have nothing but a grenade now.
Call your hits, bro. I shot you right in the face. I shot you right in the face. Call your hit.
Hey, how many are left?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Kid with the black goggles, pretty sure. Watch your call. I shot you in the face. You laid back. Call it. Oh yeah, call me a little fuck to my face, faggot. Come over here and cuss in my face, faggot. Do it, bro. You're the one cussing. Talk shit. Come over here. Right here. You see right here? Talk shit to my face. Don't call people fuckers for no reason unless you're gonna do something, faggot. Go over there and fuck your mama, bitch. That's why you got shot in the face and laid back. That's all you did, faggot. Fucking kids never want to call shit.
They didn't see me run.